How to disable Spotlight search on iPhone lock screen. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to disable Spotlight search on iPhone lock screen. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings. Then we should scroll down and find option Face ID and password, and tap on it. Now just enter your passcode here. In appearance menu, we need to scroll down and find option Today, View and Search. If you want to disable Spotlight search on lock screen, you should switch off option Today, View and Search. Now you can go to your main screen, lock your screen and check out. And that's all. It was how to disable Spotlight search on iPhone lock screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.